Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Happy Tuesday, short week, but here we go. How are you, everybody? Say hi, don't be shy. Who is with me this morning, this evening, this afternoon? Wherever you are in the world. Let me know who is with me. Hi, Amir. Thank you very much for joining. I've decided to start this live a little bit earlier. Hi, Echiel. Thank you very much for joining. Let me know, how do you see me? How do you hear me? Okay, sounds good. You see on the screen my Twitter. Hi, Lai. Thank you very much for joining. This is my Twitter. And if you missed Sunday, 8 p.m. Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going 3 hours live with my friend Drip to Rip. We are going to talk about 3 hours live spaces. I will try to do it also simultaneously live on YouTube. Still need to figure it out. We are going 3 hours to talk about mindset, discipline in strategy, so you can formulate it for immediate results. So make sure you set the reminder. It will be epic. It will be epic. So I know for some of you it's in the middle of the night, especially for my Israeli fans, Israeli viewers, but it's worth it. 3 hours. We are going to talk about some of the things we're going to talk about. Emotional discipline in trading, the psychology of risk management, building a winning mindset, the role of Fibonacci tools in psychological trading, creating and sticking to a trading plan, dealing with losses and the psychology of recovery. All this and more on this epic, legendary Twitter Spaces. So make sure you sign and you set reminder, and of course it's going to be free. So, hi Yag, thank you very much for joining. Let's go. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's start this week off. We have a very interesting week coming up. First, we have Nvidia earnings coming up. Let's check the economy calendar. What else is coming up this week? Where's the economy calendar? Not here. Let's do like this. Economy calendar for this week. Hi Ron, thank you very much for joining. We will check. Nothing much. Wednesday. FOMC minutes. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. we have FOMC minutes. And then after, we have Nvidia's earnings. Thursday, what's coming up? Too many Fed speakers I see here. Friday, oil rig count. Is for this short week. Always know your economic calendar. Always know. The earnings for all the things that you are holding. Hi Iran, thank you very much for joining. How was your weekend? Hopefully it was pretty good. Let's check some APH. You're holding from February 8th. Nice. So basically, you're on the green side. And this is why we have the Fibonacci Traders tool, the FTI. This is the exactly reason why I've developed this amazing tool. Because you can ask him anything that you want. This is without the FTI, APH. This is with the FTI. Now we can also add the lines. And what do you see? Everything just one click away. You are inside an uptrend channel. You are above a buy signal. You are way above the yellow zone. Let's check it out. Let's make the lines a little bit tighter. 34. Now you can see swing low, swing high inside an uptrend channel above the yellow zone. Pre-market 106, long continuation above 106 towards the 110. Your stop loss, in my opinion, and it's not only my opinion, it's also the FTI opinion, and of course it's only our opinion. In the end of the day, you need to do your own due diligence. 104.30 is your stop loss. What else? Nvidia scares me. It needs amazing results just to stay in this level. What do you think? I don't think. I follow the market. And for now, the market, pre-market, Nvidia goes 1.3% to the downside. Everybody's waiting. All eyes on Nvidia. Tomorrow after the bell. And you know me, I'm a trader and I'm not a gambler. I never go in with open positions into reports, into earnings. If you want, and you have enough cushion, which means you are already profitable, you can take maybe 10-15% of your original position and keep it going. But after earnings, anything can happen. It can go towards the 914 or to the 580. Both sides. It can go, not tomorrow, but in the coming days after. To the upside or to the downside. You need to prepare. So if you're scared, just don't trade it. This is the solution. Don't trade it. Wait after the earnings. Wait for next Monday. And then you will be a little bit more smarter. Hi Ares, thank you very much for joining. Your stop is at 103.83 on what? On APH. Okay, perfect. If you have a stop, perfect. You're already above 90% of all traders. Because 90% of all traders don't use stop losses. So way to go. Very nice. What do you see on the futures? Futures, we have a double top scenario on the 2 hours over here. We need to hold above the 49.69. Below it, we are heading towards the 49.20 and then 48.40. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. And as you can see, the FTI, the Fibonacci Traders tool, it's not an indicator, it's a tool. It works on everything. Futures, multi-time frame. It works also on Bitcoin. Multi-time frame also on shitcoins. Luna. You know Luna. It works on Luna. It works on Bitcoin. It works on everything. What do we see on Bitcoin? Moving sideways. Long continuation above the 52,700. And then these trend lines, this channel is taking us north to the 55, 56, 57, 59, and 6,800. Breaking below 50K, and then 48,700, and then 46,400. It works on everything. Have you seen my top stocks to watch list? Video, we have Hood, SNDL, AR, Monday, MS, Stefan Energy, Snow, Select, SLQT. And by the way, if you are still not a member, it's never too late. This is the Fibonacci Traders Discord. This is the Discord you want to be part of. Because once you become a member, you never want to go back to any other Discord. This is the only Discord that we have two trading floors. We have trading floor in English. We have trading floor in Hebrew. Premium room dedicated for day trading. Swing lounge dedicated for swings. We have options room, crypto, general chats, special lives for Fibonacci Traders Discord members. And same thing goes for Hebrew. We have a special zone for the course students. We have everything that you need under one roof. Don't believe me. You don't need to believe me. You don't need to believe anything that I say or any other social media. Just go to the testimonials and you will see what other members say about the Fibonacci Traders Discord, about the Fibonacci Traders one-on-one mentorship program, lifetime access, support, guidance. Why? Because I'm sure of my ability, of my strategy to turn each and every one of you to become a professional trader, not necessarily day trading, also swing trading. You can be a professional swing trader and still hold your daily job. Two incomes, always better than one. So join today and you will get lifetime access, support, guidance, and all Discord channels, not including the FTI. The FTI is a special tool in a special package of its own. Love earnings, still have time. Nice double bottom. Now all we need to do is wait for another day or two, holding above this yellow zone, above the 25 area, and then we are going to take long towards where? First 27 and then 28. Thank you very much. Who asked for love? Thank you, Erez. I will put it on my watch list also. Here it goes. On my watch list, first to the general list, and then on my watch list, I've put here an alert. And once this alert will set off, we have also the FTI. This is new. By the way, the FTI signals, it's a new channel for now, open for everyone. But once the FTI sees signals, it alerts everybody by itself. Here, you don't even need to wait for me to let you know that the signal is turned on. You have the FTI. Look at last Friday. Long on Amazon, time frame 15 minutes, stop loss. Short Nvidia, time frame 15 minutes, also with a stop loss. Google, buy. Long, SNDL, what's the time frame? Daily, where's the stop loss? The FTI signal is a new channel, now in a better version, open for everyone. But once I see that it goes above 90% accuracy, it's going private to the Fibonacci Traders Discord members. So make sure, I promised, 2024, the first 6 months of 2024, it's going to be epic for the Fibonacci Traders team. Every day, every week, something new to help you become professional traders. So join us. What else do we have? Teva. So we don't have enough of the S&P 500. We are going Teva, and look at this. The FTI works also on Teva, Israeli company. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Long continuation above 1334. And then you will see 14, 1450, 1480, 1520, and 1567. Uptrend until this is how Teva looks without the FTI. This is how Teva looks with the FTI. Super easy to analyze. You have the stop loss over here at the 1274. But as long as Teva is inside this uptrend channel, you're good to go long. What else do we have? Love we just did, no? Yeah, CVNA. Let's talk CVNA. Pre-market. Downside. It had a double bottom scenario. We've talked about this double bottom scenario in the beginning of February. Now it's going back to the yellow zone. So your stop loss already should got hit. If not, so next stop loss is the 59. This middle blue line of the yellow zone. And you have earnings coming up Thursday after the bell. Be super careful going with open positions into earnings. Netflix, PLTR. Who asked for Netflix? Yeah, if you asked for Netflix, it shows me one thing and one thing only. You did not see my weekly stock market recap, haven't you? PLTR moving sideways between the 2330 and the 2550, above, still above the buy signal. This is your stop loss, 2330. Below it, it will go retest the yellow zone as support. Long continuation above the 2550 towards 2785, 2930, 31, and 3330 to the upside. By the way, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. No, sorry, all good, all good, all good. No need to be sorry. Just a reminder. Every day, I'm posting 2 videos, Hebrew and English, stock market recap. During weekends, I post 4 videos. 2 videos Hebrew, 2 videos in English, stock market recap weekly edition, and my top stocks to watch for the coming week. Once again, everything double in English and in Hebrew. My Discord, the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, also multi-language, English, Hebrew, the Fibonacci-Traders University. Also, choose your path to success, choose your language. Everything available in English and in Hebrew. No more excuses, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing you need is to make a decision. Take a decision that you want to be successful. Take a decision that you want to take your financial freedom in your own hands. Once you make this decision, once you join one of these paths to success, roads to success, whether it's the one-on-one mentorship, whether it's the online expert course, basically it's the same as the one-on-one, but pre-recorded, or the ultimate membership, study groups. Every one of these paths, every one of these roads to success guarantees lifetime access for support, guidance, and all Discord channels. Once you make the decision, all the rest is on me. Netflix Thursday broke above the green box. Friday retested the green box. Now 565 is the support. Long continuation above 597. And then you have 680, 628, 650, 664, 680, and then 703. This is my 2 cents on Netflix. IWM for Roy also shows me that also Roy did not watch the weekend edition for the stock market recap. IWM still inside this green box, now also falling, retesting the yellow zone of support. Nothing much on the IWM for now. Sideways move, breaking above the green zone. We are heading towards all these levels to the upside. What else do we have? Shopify, another name where I go every day. My stock market daily recap, and of course the stock market weekly recap. Every day I go also on over Shopify. Shopify, hold above this trend line. This is Shopify without the FTI. This is Shopify with the FTI. Look how the FTI makes your life super easy to analysis. Everything that you want inside the yellow zone, and as long as we are inside the yellow zone, we are in a no trading zone. Long, 2 or 3 days above the 83.70, and then we will close this gap at the 89. Short, breaking below the 78.54, 2 days at least below it, and then 75 and 70.60 to the downside. But we are still inside an uptrend channel. What do we have? DKNG. What DKNG has to offer. Broke below at the channel. Let's see. Let's make it a little bit wider, the channel. Also, the channels are according to the Fibonacci levels. Everything is Fibonacci. As you can see, broke below this channel. Now, pre-market, let's see if we can get a close inside this channel. But overall, DKNG looks good. Our stop loss should be 42.40. Once again, nothing that you see here is financial advice. It's only my opinion according to 7 years plus of experience and with the help of my little friend, the FTI. What else do we have? XBI. So XBI looks good, if I remember. Yep. XBI looking good. We are waiting for a break above the 94.30, and then we will see not all these levels to the upside. If you're already long on XBI, as long as XBI is holding above this yellow zone, you are good to go long on XBI. And NOX, earnings or not, gaps or not, everything comes down to Fibonacci, the only tool that gives you with the highest probability and the highest accuracy, up to 85% accuracy. The FTI gives you future support and resistance for price action. If you're long on this, congratulations. If it was me, I would put my stop just below the 930. ALB, can it recover and change to bullish? Let's clean the chart. What is this mess? ALB. Let's tell the FTI a little bit more accurate, please, on your trend lines. Here you go. Trying, but as you can see, the yellow zone is a very tough resistance. You want to go long, you can start slowly. Once you have day or two above the 124.14, inside this yellow zone, start slowly your long position, but take under consideration that this trend line together with the upper border of this yellow zone, the 134 area, is a very tough resistance. So we can start small, and then once you'll get at least a weekly close above the 134, then you can start making your long position, and then you have multi-bottom scenario that can take you all the way to 174. I will put my alert above the 133. I have patience. This is my opinion on ALB. What do I think about Bitcoin? We just talked about Bitcoin, and as you can see, moving sideways. Now let's see continuation above the 52,800, and then you will see 55, 57, 58, 59, and 61. As long as Bitcoin is holding above the 5400 and above this trend line, the way is up. No need to break our head. We can see the way is up. ALB, we just talked about ALB. Thank you very much. Disney, by the way, did you hit the like? Did you hit the subscribe? Did you hit the notification bell? From what YouTube is telling me, not all of you. Take 1 second. It takes 1 split of a second of your time. Hit the like. What do you care? It costs nothing. Disney. Let's see Disney. Since earnings gap, basically moving sideways between the 107 and the 113, holding above the green line. Below this green line, below the 107, this gap will get filled. If you're already long on Disney, in my opinion, your stop should be the 107, long continuation above the 112.80, and then all these levels to the upside. XLV for Kobe. XLV looking good. Real good. Let's take Fibonacci to the upside. Reverse. Upside. Uptrend. Nice uptrend channel. Super bullish since October. Your stop loss should be here. 148.50. And again, only my opinion. By the end of this live, you go to your computer, you go to your screens, and you do your own due diligence. You do your own homework. Never follow anyone on social media blindly. And it doesn't matter how many followers, how many subscribers they have. And it doesn't matter social media, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. It's your money. Take care of your money. And if you want, we have a special. If you only want to check if it suits you, the Fibonacci-Traders Discord and the FTI, all you need to do, it's monthly subscription. You can always cancel. You will not want to, but you can. It's not for lifetime. Just click the link in the chat. Join us for 30 days. After 30 days, you don't like it? Cancel. I promise you, you will not want to cancel. You will cancel all your other subscribers to other Discords. This, I can promise you. Why? Because in the Fibonacci Traders Discord, we are focused on one thing and one thing only. First, making money. Second, helping other traders to become profitable traders. So you join us today. You will not be sorry. SoFi, What's up with SoFi? Sorry about the phone in the background. SoFi, nothing much. Basically inside the downtrend, below the yellow zone. You want to go long on SoFi? In my opinion, only a weekly close above the 910, above this yellow zone. Until then, downtrend, until proven otherwise. PLAB, PLAB. What's going on with PLAB? Nice uptrend, super nice uptrend. Let's make it a little bit more accurate. Take it to the 618 channel. Here's the 618 channel. If you're already long on PLAB, you are good to go. This is your stop loss, 31.90. In my opinion, this should be your stop loss. Long continuation above 34.20, and then you have all the levels to the upside. Earnings coming up tomorrow morning. Careful, super careful. Never go in with an open position into earnings. And I don't care if tomorrow you wake up and it's 20 or 30% to the upside. Always remember, you can wake up and it can be 20-30% to the downside. Protect your capital. This is your only mission. Protect your capital. That's it. Intel, carry first. Carry. What's going on with carry? Trying to avoid the 56 area, trying to get back above this trend line, trying to get back inside the yellow zone. But as long as I will not see a weekly close above the 50-30, nothing much on KRE. Low 55-60, this gap and this gap will get filled. What else do we have? Let's see futures, basically moving sideways over here, sideways move over here, long above the 5,000 towards the 50-20, short below the 59.84 towards the 59.64. Once again, set a reminder. Sunday, this coming Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. My friend, Drip to Rip, make sure you follow him on Twitter. We are going live. 3 hours of spaces on Twitter space. We are going to talk about the mindset, discipline, strategy that will help you become a much better trader, and it's all free. All free. So make sure you hit and join us these amazing spaces. You have the link over here. If you want, I will share with you it again. This is the link for the spaces. So even if you're in Israel, wake up. Wake up. You will not regret. Any other comments, any other questions, any other requests? Kozali. We have what is FBIN. Pre-market breaking below the trend line, below the yellow zone, below 76.30. We will see 75 and 73. So if you're already long on this name, your stop should be just below the 76.29. If you're not long yet, this is not the time to go long. Any other questions, any other requests? Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Nvidia coming up tomorrow, Wednesday after the bell, and FOMC minutes tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. In my opinion, this is a no trading week. It's until Thursday. No trading until Thursday, unless we will see something super interesting. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you know what to do. Join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord and you will not regret it. Thank you, Nati. You joined what? Join both. Join the Twitter space. Join the Fibonacci-Traders. I guarantee you, you will not want to cancel it. Any other questions? Any other requests before we say thank you very much for joining this live? I hope you found it helpful, educational. If yes, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, CRM. Just before we say goodbye until the next video, CRM, long continuation above the 295 towards the 307 and 323. If you're already long on CRM, your stop loss should be the 277 9p. But overall, FTI is the only tool that will help you stop following others to tell you what to do. The only one. LPG. Suddenly we have new viewers. Where were you, ladies and gentlemen, until now? We are already 40 minutes into this live. LPG, downtrend until proven otherwise. 34.40 will break, and then we will see 30 to the downside. What is social? Social what? Social? What is social? What is social? LPG? This is LPG. Net gas. Let's check. Natural gas. Natural gas will be the last one. What is social? It's a, what's the ticker? Natural gas, downtrend until no one knows. But it's a downtrend. Proven otherwise. You see the levels, you see the trend lines, you see the red signal, downtrend, and natural gas, SMCI. So what is social? Autocorrect. Social, super microcomputer, SMCI. You're with iPhone, change your iPhone. Never liked iPhones. SMCI, still an uptrend with all this 20% to the downside last Friday. But do you remember that this exact name gave us 240% to the upside in just 1 month? So one red candle, and it doesn't matter how big this red candle is, how deep this red candle is, the trend is still up. And as you can see, yellow zone. Ladies and gentlemen, the FTI is the ultimate tool that will help you become a much on the verge of becoming a professional trader. The FTI, put it on your chart. How? Join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. early live. We're already 41 minutes into this live. Thank you very much. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I hope you found it helpful. Until the next video, until the next live, please stay safe.